1756 Giacomo Casanova escapes from the Leeds prison in Venice by climbing onto the roof. Dalton explains color blindness. 1794 John Dalton's first lecture to the Manchester Literary and Philosophical Society is titled Extraordinary Facts Relating to the Vision of Colors, describing his own color blindness, which later becomes known as Daltonism. In 1913 Lincoln Highway, the first paved coast-to-coast highway in the US, is dedicated. In 1956, American Navy pilot Conrad Gushin is the first person to land a plane at the South Pole. In 1956, Rear Admiral J. Duffick becomes the first American to set foot on the South Pole. In 1980, Julian Knott sets a world hot air balloon altitude record of 16,806 m. 1981, The War of the Worlds, the first live American radio drama in 25 years, is broadcast on NBC on Halloween. In 1983, Ron Grant completes a run around Australia in 217 days, covering 8,316 miles 13,383 km. In 1987, American jockey Chris Antley becomes the first rider to win 9 races in a day, 4 at Aqueduct and 5 at the Meadowlands. In 1992, Don Keller makes his 18,000th skydive. Catholic Church apologizes. 1992, Roman Catholic Church apologizes for its treatment of Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei after 359 years, acknowledging he had been right about the Earth revolving around the Sun. In 1999, yachtsman Jesse Martin returns to Melbourne after 11 months of circumnavigating the world solo, non-stop, and unassisted. In 2016, MIT engineers announced they've engineered spinach plants to detect explosive materials in groundwater and send an email alert via a connected system. In 2017, a judge on Maui, Hawaii, orders a man to write 144 compliments to his ex-girlfriend after violating a protection order by sending her 144 malicious text messages and calls. In 2018, the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue at 182 meters, is unveiled in Gujarat state as a tribute to Indian independence leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In 2021, world's largest solar farm goes live in Sirintwan Reservoir, Thailand, as a hydro-floating solar hybrid system the size of 70 football fields. Music history. 2022, Taylor Swift becomes the first artist in history to claim all top 10 slots on US Billboard Hot 100 chart with 10 tracks from her album Midnight's.